I am the Kumkaran. Let me see yours. What you got? What do you got? Show his.
He didn't get anything. He only got cheese and chicken and beans.
Here's a little bit. He gets scared. Look at mine, guys. I got everything. I got, what is this? Show him. This is called?
Tandoori chicken tostadas.
Which is basically Mexican tacos on a hard shell.
But tandoori chicken.
Tandoori chicken, avocado, onions,
tomatoes,
cabbage, tomatoes, and hot sauce. Now we're gonna eat it. Put little limbu pani.
Look at those guys. My favorite.
थोड़ा पानी द्यावा पा द्या पकड छाना तुम्ही कर 1 2 3 go.
Goodness, he can't even calm down.
Amazing.
Best.
Avocado, I never knew that it's so good.
We eat so much avocado. Come on.
Before.
Oh, you mean back home?
Back home in India, I never knew
A
about
lot of people
avocado.
don't get avocado.
Now they sell over there in India.
They sell, but they said it's expensive.
No, now it's cheaper.
Oh, okay, good. I love avocado. Okay, so good? Let's go.
I am the Kumkaran.
Good job. Okay, go. You're making a mess of it.
First one.
Yummy.
Okay. Okay. So what do we have
You
here?
just have beans, chicken, and cheese because you didn't want the rest of the stuff today.
So we have chicken, we have hot sauce, and cheese.
And beans, black beans.
3, 2, 1,
Go.
Go.
Chicken bite.
Easy.
My God, that is so good.
Baba, would you rather have one of those moms who buy you McDonald's and Burger King, or would you rather have this mom who cooks you home cooked food? Which one? Good job. No junk.
Okay, so it's good?
It's really hot, so I'll.
Oh, spicy. Why are you burning up over there? I put too much hot sauce?
No, Valentina hot sauce, Mexican, is the real hot sauce.
Real one.
The crystal you use is the white people hot sauce.
Listen, I'm not trying to burn my booty hole in the morning.
It's okay, eat some ice cream.
Nope. Go pour it on. Pour it on.
Yum. I can just lick it.
Ugh.
Tasty. That's why they say Mexican food is as close to Indian food because the spices, everything is same. Almost close.
But anyways, these tandoori tostadas. So good. So tasty, guys. If you like the video, share and follow for more. Bye, guys.